Hello everyone, this is Harsh Sharma from Syntax Traders, and today I'm gonna give a demo of a hackathon project we built at Merge Conflict at IIT Roorkee. So basically our project is based on real-time global disaster intelligence system as well as SOS based system. So let me take you to the website of that project. So basically we have hosted the front end on Vercel as well as the back end on Render, and as soon as we reach here, the system asks us for the location access. We provide them the location access to them, and this helps them track our location and give the nearest emergency services which are near to us. These are further connected to Google Map API, so they can directly connect to the Google Maps for the SOS based system. This is the disaster new intelligence systems. This is one of the major USPs of our product. This is not just another weather API type of product. We have actually taken out the information from weather severity, the earthquake activity, the AQIs, and finally, the more important one, the AI-based news intelligence system. So in that cases, we have taken a score of all of the four cases which is on the screen 2032 3216, and it gives us the final disaster risk assessment system in which we can conclude whether a particular location at any part of the world is safer to travel or not. Also, for our conveniences, we could see like the recent earthquakes which are near in the south East Asia region. We could see whether the locations where they have came, and we could to be thoroughly prepared if the epicenter is near to us. Also, the another USP of this project is the chatbot system which we have built. So basically, we could ask anything to it. We have a linked Grok API with it. So this is Grok AI system, which we have used Grok API to like answer the question. So we could ask anything to them like, I want to travel to Delhi. Shall then I would advise caution. Delhi is current air quality. So basically, whatever the data we have got from Open Weather Map API, we have used that data in the Grok API, and that finally we can conclude through this chatbot if the data doesn't seem to um, uh, like we are not able to understand the data, we could use this AI assistant as well. So these are based on the APIs, which is first from the Open Weather Map API, and the AI chatbot is based on Grok API. The intelligence system is based on Genius API, and the entire project, the system where we could know the nearby medical facilities, the hospitals, etc. These are based on OpenStreetMap API. And now finally we could go to the another big major USP of our project, which is the SOS based system. So basically we could see the SOS based system. We have the coordinates logged in. When we gave the location access to them, we could select any sort of like say medical emergency, and I could write like help me please. So anything I could like, and I could set an emergency alert. So basically this SOS had been sent, all the emergency numbers to are displayed. I click on them and I could directly call them, and the emergency alert center would be sent. Currently it is linked to the MongoDB Atlas database. However, it could be directly linked to the databases of government authorities, so that if a person gets into a situation, let us say in an earthquake based situation, or let us say in a situation like landslide, so we could also make it a more SOS system, auto based system. So in that case, the entire latitude and longitude of the person is known, and we could easily do the rescue work so that any loss of life could be prevented. As